Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you the easiest way to bead as a beginner. So I have my chalk and my fishing line. If you don't have your fishing line, you can use ordinary thread. Then I also have my beads and the piece of fabric where I'm going to be showing you and demonstrating how to bead. So I've already threaded my fishing line into my sewing needle. So I'm just going to make a knot towards the end. So like I said, if you don't have your fishing line, you can always use just regular thread, but the fishing line will always be strong and the beads will not easily come out. So you have to make the design of your beading, but for this tutorial we're just going to do beading in a straight line. So I'm going to draw a straight line. If you want to bead in certain designs, you can draw the design as you can see. So I'm just going to put my needle into the fabric on the straight line. Then I'm going to start picking the beads. So I'm just going to place the beads in the needle. Okay, then we're going to pull them out and let them go into the fishing line, just like I am doing. Then what I'm going to do here, you're going to make your next stitch not at the end, but just not where the beading ends, but in front of the last bead, not at the end of it, but I hope you get it right. So that's why we're going to put the next stitch. Then I'm going to pull it out, as you can see. Then the next stitch I'm going to go is inside the last bead, the same last bead, just inside from the front of it going to the back of it, with inside the bead, as you can see. So this helps it to be straight, the beading to be straight. Then after that I'm now going to start again putting the beads into the needle. So this is very easy, guys. You just have to continue doing the same process. So once you do this, you start all over again, and that's how you easily bead in a straight line. So in my next tutorial I'll be showing you more advanced beading techniques, so make sure you subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, let me know in the comment sections if you found this video useful. So I'm just going to again, not on the last part of the bead, but somewhere here where I'm pointing, not towards the end, but here. I hope you guys can see, not where the bead is ending, but in front of it. So right here, that's where I'm going to make a next stitch like we did on the first one. Then I'm going to pull it out and we'll start all over again. So we go inside, in between the last bead, as you can see, between the last beads, go between it, right between the bead. That's where the needle should pass. Yes, so you can start doing this all over again until you reach your final destination.